I just went to the mailbox and I have two boxes. And I was confused at how that happened. So my last video was about the box that I received that I thought was my mystery box that I had signed up for. And I was disappointed because it was the same thing that I had just received that month already. But now I have two boxes, and anyway, and so it shows that I ordered 2 subscriptions last month and 2 subscriptions for this month. So I don't really know what happened there. I guess maybe it was October when I selected to sign up for the mystery box, and so I really don't know what happened. So anyway, I ended up with 2 subscriptions in a row. So we get to open up 2 boxes today, and maybe I will be actually pleasantly surprised this time. And just because it's kind of hard to pronounce it. Oh, you are you. Uru. I was saying Uru, but now I get it. You are you. Yarn. Okay. And it is by KnitCrate. Okay, so KnitCrate has made this yarn. Alright. Well, I like it. It's adjusting size 7 needles. I like it. I think this yarn would make a beautiful scarf or cowl. Haven't done a cowl recently, so maybe I'll design a rose themed cowl to go with this rose yarn. Something to think about. There it is. Alright, so I did officially cancel my KnitCrate. Not because I don't love it, but because I am done with my 3-month experiment, and I will do a wrap-up video all about the KnitCrate and the Yarn Yay subscription boxes, and talking about my 3-month experience and what I thought, and weighing all that out. And then of course, as I come up with something to make with these yarns, get both of them on there. There we go. As I come up with something to make with both of these yarns, I will make another video about that. So make sure you subscribe and do all that lovely stuff so that you can come back and see what I've done. And here's just a really quick sneak peek from the Yarn Yay box. I know this is my KnitCrate thing, but sneak peek, unexpected, really quick. The yarn, I created a lovely mitten. I haven't made the second one yet to be able to test my pattern that I wrote for it and all of that. But I am loving it. I made it custom to fit my own hand, and I'm going to write the pattern in a way that you can customize it to fit your own hand perfectly. You know the saying, fits like a glove? Yeah, well, fits like a glove could. And there's a couple surprises about this pattern, in that it is knit fingers down. I'll give that little hint. And I do something very special with the thumb that I have not seen in other patterns. So make sure to do all you need to do to keep up, especially if you like the look of this mitten. I think it turned out gorgeous, so I was using the yarn mixed with just a fisherman's wool. Just a sneak peek, really quick, but there'll be a more in-depth video about this mitten and the pattern in the future, hopefully in December, but you know how crazy the holidays can get, so we'll see how it goes. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the reviewing of the KnitCrates. I'll just try to give my most honest thoughts and opinions about the affordability of them. I have a large family and we live on a budget, so in my wrap-up video I will lay it all out there for you.